Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to update your payment method on YouTube TV. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you can follow these instructions using either the mobile application or the website. If you're using the website, go to Google and search for YouTube TV. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to access the site. Once you're on the YouTube TV homepage, log in using your YouTube TV subscription ID. After logging in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Next, navigate to the settings option. Once you're in settings, you will find a section labeled billing or payment method. Click on this option to proceed. In the billing section, locate the billing icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it and you will see an option to update your payment method. This option is usually found at the top right corner of the billing page. After clicking on Update, you will be prompted to enter your new payment information. Fill in the required details to successfully update your payment method. So that's basically how you can update your payment method on YouTube TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.